What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're visiting your doctors in the next few days and you're going through some symptoms, you might be thinking, what questions should I ask the doctor to get the precise information about my health? So, for that, this video is for you. Everybody is using the Claude for the generative intelligence, and that's what we are doing right now. So, what we're going to do, we are just going to provide a detailed prompt which I have crafted, and obviously you guys can see that it says system role and goal. So this is the system role and goal for the Claude, and after that the key information and the detail. Here is the main part that you guys need to be very careful of. First, the patient name, John Doe. Medical condition, type 2 diabetes, current symptoms, frequent fatigue, increased thirst, and occasional tingling in the toes. Experienced high morning blood pressure levels over the past 3 weeks. Current medications of the treatment, metformin, 500 milligram twice a day. Goal of the visit, discuss suggesting a medication to prevent morning spikes and get recommendations for the modified meal plan. My requirements for the generated question is, please generate a structured list of questions for my doctor organized into the following categories: understanding the condition, questions to help me better understand my disease progression and what the morning spikes indicates. So after that, it gave me thorough questions that could be, like 20 of those. Over here, you will see that what mostly likely causing a higher morning blood pressure and sugar over the past 3 weeks. And does it point to dawn phenomenon or overnight rebound or something else? So choose the questions that suits you best. And obviously, you guys must be thinking like how to create such prompts for the Claude. I'm using Gemini. You guys can use the Claude as well for these kind of stuff. But over here, you will see that I have made this prompt over here. Uh, First, I gave this information, right? The prompt and a master prompt for the preparation of the question for a doctor visit. Both Claude and add details related to what I have shared with you as a reference for the disease. And I gave the name of the patient. It has written the whole prompt that I just simply dropped here, which made Claude act much more efficient than a single voice command. So that's how you guys can do it as well. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.